In this video, you'll learn how to create a folder in Notion. This process will help you organize your notes and documents more effectively within the application. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a functional folder structure in your Notion workspace. Start by opening your preferred web browser, such as Google Chrome. Once the browser launches, type in the URL for Notion, which is notion.so. Wait for the page to load fully. This may take a moment depending on your internet speed. After the Notion homepage appears, log into your account if you haven't done so already. Look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Enter your credentials and click login to gain access to your workspace. Next, locate the plus icon to create a new page. This icon is typically found in the sidebar on the left side of the screen. Clicking this icon will prompt a new page to open, which serves as the starting point for your folder creation. Once the new page is open, type in the desired name for your folder. This could be something like project folder or any title that reflects the content you plan to organize. After typing the name, you can proceed to click on the blank space to confirm your entry. After confirming the name, you can start adding content to your folder. Type in any information or notes you wish to include. This could be text, links, or other relevant details that will be useful later. Make sure to save your changes periodically. To create a subfolder within your newly created folder, type /page into the content area. This command acts as a prompt to create another page which will function as a folder within the main folder. Confirm this action by hitting the Enter key. Next, give this new page a name, such as subfolder. After naming it, click on the blank space or hit Enter again to finalize the creation of this subfolder. This structure will help you keep your documents organized in a way that is easy to navigate. Now, navigate back to the main folder. You can do this by clicking on the folder name you created earlier in the sidebar. To add content from your main folder to the subfolder, locate the 6 dots next to the content item and drag it into the subfolder. After dragging the content into the folder, click on the subfolder to open it. You should see the content that you inserted earlier now residing within this folder. This confirms that the organization is successful. Finally, click on the content inside your subfolder to ensure everything is intact. If you see your notes or documents as expected, you have successfully created a folder in Notion along with its contents organized neatly. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.